Hi everybody, welcome to the world headquarters of Adept Food and Beverage in Cambridge, Ontario. Thanks for taking a moment. We just wanted to introduce you to Adept and tell you a little bit about us, what we do, and why we do it. You may know us as Blender Boys, and we still answer to the Blender Boys. Adept is just, well, really after a few years of accumulating and creating brands, we just thought that something as kind of an umbrella entity to contain those brands might be helpful. Blender Boys kind of didn't talk about all the things that we now do. So we are here. We've been around this business for 20 plus years. We are primarily in the frozen beverage business, frozen drinks, slush mixes, etc. But we do some other new things, and we will shoot some very product-specific videos that will be posted up on our YouTube channel, where you'll be able to see exactly how these products perform, how they're used, and why they're relevant to your operation. Quickly, as I said, we're in the frozen beverage business, bulk slush, iced cappuccino mixes. The Blender Boys product line is blender-based drink mixes. Our newest product lines include Temptation Vegan Soft Serve and the only vegan kosher marshmallow called Dandies out there today. So, distribution, we have the ability to ship you direct, but we also are distributed by, kind of the usual cast of characters, the Cisco's, GFS, for those of you in the East, Capital, people like that. Fairly widely available, so please give us a call. Look at our website, www.adeptfb.com, and have a look at what we do. Please forward any questions. We'll be getting right back to you. Thanks for taking a minute. We'll see you again soon.